Your car's battery is a pretty essential part when it comes to performance. Without it, you won't even be able to start your vehicle, much less hit the road. That's why it's important to maintain it as well as replace it on a routine basis. We rounded up tips from our Charlotte Auto Service team, and we're here to share them. Learn how you can maintain your car battery to give it a long life. Whenever you pop the hood, take a few minutes to inspect your car battery. You want to ensure that it's in good physical condition and that you don't see any swelling, bulging, cracking, or rust. Also, make sure nothing is leaking and check for corrosion around the cables. Finally, use your nose. If you smell rotten eggs or sulfur, it could mean a battery leak. Clean your car battery on a routine basis to ensure it's functioning at top capacity. You can remove the cables and clean the post. Simply use a wire brush and a mixture of baking soda and water to scrub them clean. In a pinch, pour a can of Coca-Cola over the battery. This will get rid of any corrosion. If you have a voltmeter at home, you're in good shape to test the voltage of your battery. Otherwise, ask our Charlotte Toyota service techs to test it for you to ensure your battery is still working as it should be. If it's not, try to pinpoint what the problem is and whether or not you need a new battery. If you're due for a battery replacement, and our techs will be able to let you know when it's time to replace this important part, then don't delay. Some signs you may need to consider this auto service include: your battery light or check engine light illuminates in the dash, your car is extremely slow to start or won't start up at all, you notice leaks, cracks, or swelling in the case, it's been more than 3 years, which is the typical lifespan of a car battery. Don't delay when it's time to replace your battery. This can wind up leaving you with a dead battery and a car that won't start. Replace as needed to save time and money. Want to schedule battery maintenance or replacement? Do it today at Toyota of North Charlotte. We're conveniently located just off of I-77 at exit 23 in Huntersville. Ask about our car battery specials today.